Ouch! Sammy, could you please stop playing with those paper planes?
Huh? Just one last time, please, Sue.
I heard that like an hour ago. Soon we'll drown in these planes.
But I want to become the first inventor of the flying paper plane. I want to make a great discovery.
Discovery, you say? Maybe you'd better become an inventor of the first airplane fan.
Right. That's a good idea.
Oh, wait. No, it was a joke. Hi, guys. You're never gonna guess what we're making today.
A fan-like plane. Or a plane-like fan.
Anyways, in the end, we're gonna get something cool.
A bit harder, Susan. More, come on.
I think I'm gonna set this on fire. A little more. Done. Now let's press the bottom. We'll use Hulk power for that. Poof! Yay!
Whoa, you're so strong, Sue, just like Wonder Woman.
That's flattering, Sammy. But to speed up the process, maybe you can take care of the other cans? Hey, I didn't mean that kind of help.
But it's so tasty. Guys, give a thumbs up if you like soda, too.
We won't need the upper part, so let's cut it with the knife.
Guys, ask an adult to help you with this part of the craft.
And now we'll smooth out the rest.
It's going great, Sue. And in the meantime, I removed the tabs as you requested.
Awesome, but we need as much as we can get.
What do you say? Is it enough?
Whoosh! Exactly what we need. These parts will form our engine, and we'll get something like…
This? Engines like this were installed on the first planes.
Yep, you're right. It's called the rotary engine. We'll place it right here. Up. And we'll glue all this together.
I feel like an engineer. Soon our bird will fly high. I can't wait. Oh, I love planes and candies.
To make the tail of our plane, we'll need another can. Now let's cut a triangle-shaped hole.
I wonder if our plane will look like one of these. Or this one. Or maybe this one. I can't choose.
Sammy, did you decide to pick up aero modeling? Will we get our own plane?
First, we'll have our own fan, and then we shall see.
We already cut the hole according to the switch size and connected it to the wires.
It wasn't easy. Ask an adult to help you with soldering the wires.
Now let's place the wires into the tail.
Sue, is it possible to turn a real plane on and off this way?
I don't think so, but it would be great, right? So, Sam, did you connect our wires to the cable?
It looks good, Susan. Phew, I got all sweaty. I'll go drink some water. Continue without me.
Here's the base we've made. But to become a plane, it needs…
Energy! That's what I need. Hail the great Tibby-Dabba Celeste one.
1, 2, 3. Great, Sammy, but I wasn't sitting around either.
It seems like we're gonna build a complicated robot and not a simple plane. Susie, what is this?
The prototypes of the future parts. Whoosh! A bit of magic. We already did this with the previous crafts made from cans.
That's some weird magic. I didn't see anything disappear or appear, so, it's not magic at all.
The outline will appear right on the aluminum sheet. Voila! Cool, isn't it?
It's awesome! Let's cut out everything!
Hop, 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 hop. The parts for the wings are ready.
Sue, I can also fly now, look! Take off!
Stop.
Ugh.
Wait, Sam. Let's make our wings sturdier, or there will be a crash right at the takeoff. These parts will enforce our wings. Whoa!
It's pouring wooden rain. Good that none of them hit me. Oh, help! Save me!
Careful, Sammy! And we'll start assembling the first wing. We'll place the wooden parts along the surface. It will be the body of our wing. Now let's fold the edges. Hop. And fix them with glue. Like this.
Come on, fly! Fly! It's not working. How are you doing, Sue?
Better than you. Still trying to fly?
Since the dawn of time, people have dreamed about flying. Why can't slimes do the same?
I've lost track of your ideas. You wanted to be the inventor of the first airplane fan, didn't you?
Right. I have a principle. One great discovery a day. I'm off to build it.
Guys, thanks to Sam, all the parts for our plane are almost ready. Now we'll need to attach them.
Huh. Vanessa? Sounds beautiful. Ariel? Maybe.
Do you want to change your name, Sammy? Those are interesting choices.
I read that it's mandatory to name your plane, so I'm thinking of the best possible option.
Whoosh! That's a hard choice. Choose wisely.
Shoo! How can it fly without a tail?
You're right. Without a tail, a plane can't fly anywhere. Sammy, what do you have there?
I'm taking pictures for the newspaper. They will need photos of the great invention for the article.
Then, great inventor, you can assemble your creation. I'm out.
You're not listening. I'm gonna name the plane after you.
Oh, that's so sweet, Sammy, but the assembling is still on you.
Uh-oh, I guess I'm in trouble.
For a plane to take off, it needs to accelerate on the ground. For this, we'll make 2 wheels for the landing gear.
Shoo, I came to help you. Look what I brought.
That's exactly what we need, Sammy. And now we'll put the tire on for better traction.
Don't forget to make holes in the wheels. Whoa! Whoa! Shiver me cheddars.
Probably they don't want to be poked, Sam, but we still had to do it.
I won't give up. Get ready? Wheels!
Go, Sammy! And in the meantime, I'll exercise by bending the metal. Would they admit me into a talent show? I wonder.
Sure, Sue, because you're the most talented supercrafter I've ever known.
Approved by Slime. Guys, if you like our channel, hit the bell button and stay with us. This will serve as a basis for the landing gear. Now we'll attach a wheel to it.
It's ready, Sue. It was challenging, but in the end, I made everything that we needed.
Great job, Sammy. Now let's connect the wheel to the base using the washer. Are you sure that those are accessories?
I think they look good on me, but if you need them, I'll give them to you.
Like this. We'll secure the part using glue. Just a drop. Great.
Shoo! We made the landing gear, but the plane doesn't look quite ready for the flight.
It's because we have to attach the landing gear to the plane. We'll do it right under the wing.
So, how is our landing gear going to fold? I didn't see anything like this on real planes. Is it a new experimental aircraft?
That's because we're making a retro plane model, Sammy, and the landing gear doesn't fold. Actually, this way our fan will stand nicely on the table.
So, is it ready yet? Let's launch it!
Okay, let's try. Let's roll.
Here we go! Oh, awesome! Hey, that's weird. Why doesn't it spin at all? Oh, good macaroons! We forgot something!
We need the propeller, Sammy. It's good that you understood that.
Aha! So it was a setup? You're so cruel, Susan.
Our propeller will be made of several parts like these. We'll speed up the process, or I'm afraid Sammy will explode from impatience. We'll make it using some magic. And off we go! Done! This is what we've got. However, the sides are too rough. Let's work on them. I think it's gonna take some time. Will you find a task for yourself?
Sure, I can't wait to turn it on. Oh, my precious. Mwah. When is it going to end?
Your turn, Sammy. I can't feel my hands already.
I'm done.
Wow, great work, Sammy. Now we only need to paint it.
Did you say paint? Shiver me cheddars.
Don't worry, I already did it. Ta-da! While you were laying around, the paint already set, so you can install the propeller.
Wow, this is awesome! Guys, check this out!
So refreshing. Guys, give a thumbs up and hit the bell button if you liked our video. Sammy! That's not fair.
But I also want Sue's attention, not yours, Susan, but from our plane! Hey! Let me cool down too.
No, give it to me! Ugh.
Then have this.
Run for your life, slime!
Wish me luck!